Hello, everyone. Hope everyone's having an awesome and a blessed day and week. Welcome to Puran's Place. Today, I want to talk about one of my favorite stocks, Robinhood. Before we do that, rejoice always, pray continually, and give thanks in all circumstances. Amen. So I want to talk about Robinhood, which is a financial platform aiming to become a comprehensive financial super app. So I try to summarize it in as short as possible, and that's what I came out. And Robinhood stock, if you can see here on the right bottom, has gone up 200% this year. So awesome. I'm very happy that I'm long Robinhood, that I've slowly built a position. I wish I built the position earlier, but I wasn't sure. So I was just swing trading, which was also great. But then after I got to know the stock more, I started building a position, and then it took off. So why am I long Robinhood? The reason being is I'm a Robinhood user, and it's very easy to use on the phone and the on the desktop as well. And I really love their Robinhood Legend with the graphing capabilities. So that really helps me with the technicals. And if you have seen the recent Robinhood conference, they're also going to create more useful tools like custom indicators, future shorting, and more. So I believe the use of Robinhood will only increase because it just makes it so much easier. So before I had to use Finviz to look at things, but now with Robinhood, I just use Robinhood Legend. So it's much easier. Another exciting thing is they're going to bring the social network aspect of investing. So that will probably create a more cohesive group among users. So they'll be more loyal to um, Robinhood, and of course, trading more will generate more revenues, and I think everyone will win together. Because I really look forward to the social network as well, because I always like to learn from better traders and great traders, investors. So the social network will definitely help me out and help us other out to find great investors slash traders. And on the fundamental side, the account size is increasing for Robinhood users. So maybe they were in college when they started Robinhood, but now they are in like mid 30s, so they have more assets. So that's good for them. So they're catching up with Schwab and other brokers. They're also expanding internationally. So I believe they're available in some parts of Europe. So that's more people. And but most importantly, the reason why I started putting more money in it is because of the CEO's vision on creating a financial super app. So if you go on YouTube, Vlad, the CEO, gave a bunch of um, interviews, and you can clearly see he's really user focused, which I did not know when I was swing trading. And also, he's clear about his vision of creating this super financial app that you can get everything done. And I think they offer mortgages now, but I think they want to expand even more. So financial planning and everything. So it's a one-stop shop. And I agree with that thesis because um, I believe that other brokers have tried to do that. I know eTrader, I use eTrader as well. eTrader has somewhat tried to do it, but it's not making as progress according to my knowledge. Let me know if I'm wrong, but Robinhood definitely, as a user, I know they are very user friendly and making great progress in helping investors uh, use use the Robinhood tools to make better trades. And it honestly helped me a lot, especially Robinhood Legend with its charting capabilities. So what could go wrong? First, the stock ran up 200% this year, so it's quite expensive. The other issue is that they're expanding in all fronts, so they're trying to offer future shorts, and that's gonna have potential cost overruns because if they want to deliver on time, they might have to hire more people, pay for overtime, hire other folks. So, and that's a issue. And then delay in execution, of course, nothing is perfect. And I think they're very good at under promising, over delivering, just like they show in the conferences. But then again, you can never be sure that everything will go on time because, in life, you have more negative surprises than positive surprises. There's also regular scrutiny, especially if you're expanding so quickly to other countries, to other types of assets like crypto and future and whatever derivatives, there is going to be regular scrutiny. And I'm sure they hired a lot of lawyers and they have a good legal team to check everything. But you never know. So whenever your operation becomes more complex, there's a lot of more regulatory risk. Slowdown in the economy obviously will hurt Robinhood as people have less money to trade or invest, but that applies to almost every business. And I believe despite all the hype about crypto, and I do believe crypto has some future, some place in the future, but right now, I think it's going a little too fast. So if there's a crypto winter where things crash, I think Robinhood would be affected as well. But overall, I don't see many risks because I believe that um, they are well planned and the CEO is very clear on the future. So the only risk that I clearly see that could be dangerous is one is regulatory risk because as a financial broker, that's really deadly. And the second one is just execution risk, where the costs are overrun and there are delays on creating new features. So with that, Robinhood is my final thoughts is that Robinhood is led by visionary CEO Vlad Tenev that excessively focus on users and will create a financial super app creating value for users and stockholders. So that's my thesis for Robinhood. Robinhood is one of my biggest positions right now, one of my biggest. So that's how much conviction I have. And I usually um, don't trust the founder too much. You should love humans, not always trust them, but at least so far of the CEO has shown that he can deliver. So I'm still confident and betting on the CEO. And I could be wrong, but for now, that's my investment thesis. All right, that's it for today. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his shine up face on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace. Amen. Hope everyone has an awesome and a blessed day, week, and I will see you all next time. Bye.